China's economy is a force to be reckoned with. It has experienced unprecedented growth, becoming the world's second-largest economy. This economic transformation has reshaped global trade, investment, and geopolitics. From a nation grappling with poverty, China has emerged as a global powerhouse. Its rise has been nothing short of remarkable, capturing the attention of policymakers, businesses, and individuals worldwide. China's economic influence extends far beyond its borders. Its vast manufacturing capacity, insatiable demand for raw materials, and growing consumer market have significant implications for the global economy. Understanding China's economic trajectory is crucial for navigating the complexities of the 21st century. As China continues to evolve, its economic performance will undoubtedly shape the global landscape for years to come. China's economic miracle has been accompanied by a dramatic reduction in poverty. Millions have been lifted out of extreme poverty, a testament to the country's remarkable progress. However, challenges remain. Despite significant advancements, a sizable population still faces economic hardship. Income inequality persists, and access to quality healthcare and education remains unevenly distributed. Addressing these challenges is crucial for ensuring sustainable and inclusive growth. China recognizes the importance of tackling poverty and has implemented various social welfare programs and poverty alleviation initiatives. The government's commitment to poverty reduction is evident in its ambitious targets and policy interventions. While significant progress has been made, the fight against poverty remains an ongoing priority for China. China's economic transformation has been driven by a shift from agriculture to manufacturing. The country's vast labor force and low wages attracted foreign investment, fueling industrial growth. Special economic zones, established in the late 1970s, played a pivotal role in attracting foreign capital and technology. These zones offered tax incentives and relaxed regulations, creating a favorable environment for businesses. The manufacturing boom transformed China into the world's factory, producing a wide range of goods, from textiles and toys to electronics and automobiles. This export-oriented growth model propelled China's economic expansion. However, this model also brought challenges, including environmental degradation, income inequality, and over-reliance on exports. China recognizes the need to transition to a more sustainable and balanced growth model. China's economic growth has been nothing short of extraordinary. For decades, the country has sustained an average annual growth rate of nearly 10%, lifting millions out of poverty and transforming the global economic landscape. This remarkable growth has been driven by a combination of factors, including a vast and increasingly skilled labor force, significant investments in infrastructure, and a relentless pursuit of technological advancement. China's embrace of globalization and its integration into the global trading system have also played a crucial role in its economic success. The country has become a major player in international trade, attracting foreign investment and expanding its economic influence worldwide. As China's economy has matured, the government has recognized the need to shift from an export-driven growth model to one that is more reliant on domestic consumption. This transition presents both challenges and opportunities for China's future economic development. Section 5. The Debt Dilemma. China's rapid economic growth has come at a cost. The country has accumulated a massive debt burden, particularly in its corporate sector. This debt poses a significant risk to the country's financial stability. Years of easy credit and government-led investment have fueled China's economic expansion, but have also led to a buildup of debt. This debt overhang, if not managed effectively, could trigger a financial crisis. The Chinese government is acutely aware of the risks posed by excessive debt and has taken steps to address the issue. However, deleveraging the economy without stifling growth remains a delicate balancing act. The sustainability of China's debt burden will depend on its ability to transition to a more sustainable growth model, one that is less reliant on debt-fueled investment and more driven by domestic consumption. Section 6. Cracks in the foundation. Despite its economic achievements, China faces significant challenges. The country's growth model, heavily reliant on investment and exports, is showing signs of strain. The global economic slowdown, trade tensions, and rising labor costs have all contributed to a deceleration in China's growth rate. The government is now seeking to rebalance the economy, shifting away from investment and towards consumption. This transition, however, is proving to be challenging. Boosting domestic consumption requires increasing household incomes and reducing income inequality. It also requires addressing structural issues in the economy, such as the dominance of state-owned enterprises. China's economic slowdown has raised concerns about the country's ability to maintain its growth momentum. The government's policy choices in the coming years will be crucial in determining the country's economic future. Section 7. The property peril. China's property market, once a symbol of the country's economic prowess, has become a source of growing concern. Years of speculation and overbuilding have led to a property bubble, raising fears of a market crash. The property sector's woes have rippled through the broader economy, impacting construction, manufacturing, and consumer spending. A sharp decline in property prices could have severe consequences for the financial system. The government has implemented measures to cool the property market, including restrictions on home purchases and increased down payment requirements. However, these measures have had limited success in curbing speculation. The property market's future remains uncertain. A controlled correction would be preferable to a sudden crash. However, managing the property bubble without triggering a wider economic crisis is a daunting challenge for policymakers. Section 8. Global implications. China's economic performance has profound implications for the global economy. As the world's second-largest economy and a major trading nation, China's economic health is closely watched by businesses and policymakers worldwide. A slowdown in China's growth has a ripple effect across the globe, impacting commodity prices, trade flows, and investment decisions. China's demand for raw materials has fueled economic growth in many developing countries. The global economy is increasingly intertwined with China's economic fortunes. Understanding the challenges and opportunities facing China's economy is essential for navigating the complexities of the global economic landscape. The world is watching closely as China attempts to navigate its economic challenges. The outcome of these efforts will have significant consequences for the global economy in the years to come. Section 9. Charting the future. China's economic future is at a crossroads. The country faces a multitude of challenges, including a mountain of debt, a slowing economy, and a property bubble. However, China also has significant strengths. China's leadership recognizes the need for economic reforms and is taking steps to address these challenges. The country is investing heavily in innovation, seeking to move up the value chain and become a global leader in technology. The government is also focused on boosting domestic consumption, promoting entrepreneurship, and creating a more sustainable and inclusive growth model. The success of these reforms will be crucial for China's long-term economic prospects. China's economic transformation is far from over. The country's ability to adapt and innovate will determine its future place in the global economy. The world is watching with bated breath as China charts its course for the future. Section 10. Understanding China's economy. Understanding China's economy is no longer a matter of academic curiosity, but a necessity for anyone engaged in the global marketplace. Its sheer size and interconnectedness with the world make its economic performance a critical factor in global stability and growth. From its humble beginnings as an impoverished nation to its current status as an economic powerhouse, China's journey has been nothing short of remarkable. However, the path ahead is fraught with challenges, requiring careful navigation and bold reforms. As China grapples with issues of debt, inequality, and a slowing economy, its policy choices will have far-reaching consequences, shaping not only its own destiny, but also the future of the global economy. The world must pay close attention to these developments, for they will undoubtedly shape the economic landscape for generations to come. The story of China's economic rise is still being written. By understanding its past, present challenges, and future aspirations, we can better equip ourselves to navigate the complexities of the global economy in the 21st century.